Start simple. Fly smarter. The RadioMaster T8L makes getting airborne easy for everyone. The T8L is the first WebUI-based radio officially supported by ExpressLRS. Integrated 2.4 GHz ExpressLRS with adjustable power from 10 to 100 milliwatts. Bind any receiver with one button. Press and hold, you're flying in seconds. Simple trimming and centering with 5-way buttons featuring LEDs and audible feedback. Quad-bearing X5 Hall effect gimbals for buttery smooth control. Super lightweight at just 204 grams, with sticks that fit neatly inside. Toss it in your bag and go. One USB-C port handles charging, simulator flying, data, and updates. Supports up to 10 channels, features LED indicators for battery and calibration, and fully customizable button settings, all accessible through our sleek web UI. No screen required. Start simple, fly smarter.